happened? A monster!
Ha! A feathered-eating crocodile almost had me.
That was just a tiny lizard, you big drama king.
Size is an illusion, Luna. The terror was real.
Come inside, let's fix this fear. See? It's warm and safe in here. Look in the mirror. What do you see? A scared jackal with messy feathers. Close your eyes. Deep breath. Forget all fear. Now look again!
Roar! I'm a lion!
True confidence is seeing the lion inside you, even when you fall. Lesson: self-belief starts with how you see yourself. Clumsy hero! Come on, let's play!
Target locked! Stop right there, you tiny crocodile!
Macaw, lions don't eat lizards.